Hi everyone, it's Hili. Today I want to show you Story Map. It's basically a way to explore places around the world using different activities, links to places. As students explore the map, they learn about different things. There's also a way to insert activities and external sites. Let me show you another example. This is a unit about food around the world. Students click Start Exploring. They watch videos. They can answer questions in their notebooks. This is Israel. As they proceed, they are able to go to different places around the world and learn about them. Watch videos and answer questions that you can embed inside. For example, Answer Garden, which is word cloud. As they continue, they're able to go to different places, watch other videos, click on the links, and complete information on Padlet or any other external site that you embed inside. This is, for example, a secret language which you can embed in Egypt. Washington, D.C. You can embed here something about space food in the NASA headquarters. So here I embedded a Google form. That's it. So if you have a unit that is about something related to geography, history, world history, war, different places, you can definitely use this site. It's called Story Map, and create a learning unit using places around the world and a world map. So we want to write on Google Story Map Night Lab. The website is called storymap.nightlab.com. As you log in for the first time, you will need to sign up. So you click Make Story Map and you sign up. The only option to sign up is with your Google, so you need to have a Gmail account, a Google account. Then what you want to do is you want to click New and you want to start your journey. You want to give it a name, for example, Food Around the World. And you want to click Create. As you log in, the first thing you want to do is choose how you want the map to look. So you click on Options and you choose if you want it to be, for example, this. And you can see in the background what it looks like. This is more white. Toner background, watercolor. It looks like this. It's blue, like a watercolor standard. That's a pretty standard map. Let's use that for now. The others is language, which you can choose, and font. And then you want to click Close. And you see we have regular map here. And what you want to do is you just want to first click here and give it a name. So perhaps something like Food Around the World. And that's it. You want to click here for your first slide, Add Slide. And the first thing you want to do is choose a place. So let's say we want to say Tel Aviv, Israel. And then you see that this marker is here in Tel Aviv. You want to give it a name, for example, Food in Tel Aviv. And here you want to write the task. Here you can add a video or a picture. So let's say we want a video. Let's say we chose this video from YouTube about food in Tel Aviv. You want to go to Share and just copy this link. Copy. You want to go back. And here you want to paste it here. Sorry, here. So you want to have the video here. Or you can upload an image from your computer. And here you want to give it a task. You want to write down the instructions. For example, watch the following video and write down 3 things you would like to try out. So this is, for example, a task that you can do where students don't insert information in a certain Google form or anything at all, but they just write the answer in their notebooks. So that's one option. Once you're done, you can click on preview and see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like when students go in. They're able to watch the video and read the question here. If you go here, you'll be able to see the front page. So this is what it looks like, your front page for the Around the World. Start exploring, then it goes to Tel Aviv, and you're ready to go. Let me show you another example. Let's say I want to add on something external. The embed doesn't really work on this website for some reason. So I just suggest adding links. Let's say you want them to write their own recipe on a Padlet board. All you need to do is go ahead and add another slide. Choose a place, for example, Rome, Italy. And here you can write pizza recipe, and you can say like this: write your own pizza recipe in the following link. Or you can also say on the following Padlet board, for example, on the following board. And all you need to do is go to your Padlet board and simply click share, copy link. Link is copied. You click on the link icon here in your story map and you paste the link to your Padlet board. You want to make sure this is ticked, open link in a window, and click insert link. So you're ready to go. So we have write your own pizza recipe in the following board or on the following board, and then in the following link on the board, and then students are able to go in. You want to add something here to the media. So let me show you, for example, how to upload an image from your computer. The advantages of this website is that it's a map. So you want to choose something that is outdoors, something that really looks like Rome. So perhaps choose something like this. Save the image on your computer. And then as you go back to here, you want to click upload an image and choose file. And you can upload a picture of Rome from your computer. Click upload. And it's in. You want to click on preview and see what it looks like. So you can see the students are in Italy, in Rome. They have a picture of Rome, so it really feels like a virtual tour. They have instructions and they have a link here. They can click and add their own recipe. You can even add a word cloud and do some shared work. So what you can do is you can go to a website called Answer Garden. Click plus, write words that you know in French. And then that's it. You are ready to go. You can click share and then just copy this link. I'm gonna copy this and go and complete and create a different station. I'm going to click add slide. Now I'm going to go to Paris, France. And here I'm going to add instructions. First of all, I'm going to write Paris, France, and I'm going to say, do you know French? Answer the question in the following word cloud. And here I'm going to click again on this link icon, paste the link, and click insert link. And now students are going to have an actual place to write down answers. So what we can do is we can go and we can search for words in French, and we can add this video to our story map. So let's say I want to use this French video. I'm going to click share. I'm going to copy the link, go back to here, and here I'm going to add the video. I'm going to click enter. Now I can click preview and see what it looks like. So I basically created now a few stations. I can click here, preview, preview again. I have food around the world, start exploring, food in Tel Aviv, video, next. I have a Padlet board here of pizza recipe in Italy. I have Paris, France with the answer garden and a video. So when I'm done, I want to go back to edit and I want to click share. I want to send this to my students. So this is what I'm going to click on and copy, and I will send this to them. This is what they will see, and they get this and they're able to start exploring. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and have a bunch of ideas of how to use this in your class. Enjoy. Bye bye.